How important is it for you to be healthy and also taking care of your body, being in shape in real estate?
I mean, super important. I think a lot of people don't realize that I'm actually doing a lot of physical labor on a daily basis too, which helps expedite that project, but I want to. Mm-hmm. I'm not the type of person. I do my computer work and my outreach and my sales calls bright and early because I want to go to that job site and I want to be hands-on and I want to understand, you know, build those relationships with the trades, but also assist in any way, shape, or form I can, because at the end of the day, it's your money, it's your project, it's your deal. So if you're not executing and being able to work hard, then you're basically shooting yourself in the foot. Like I said, health is probably the most important thing in my life, 100%. I wake up every morning at 5 o'clock and I go to the gym prior to me hitting the job site. And then of course I make my sales calls in between there. But here's the thing, like you can't go and do physical work if you're not physically fit. And, you know, when you're dragging your butt and you're not, you know, eating well and you're not working out and staying in shape, your mind suffers. And that's the biggest thing. You got to be sharp. You got to be on top of it. And you have to be willing to direct your life in a way that's going to make sense for you. Without your health, you really have nothing. And it's true. If I was sick right now, do you think I'd be able to go to the job site or make sales calls or, you know, basically do anything with my life but sit on the couch? No.
Right.
So it was just always part of who I was as a woman, a human being. And I never wanted to waver from that. That's actually the 6-figure job that I left. I was working at a health club as a sales manager. Oh. And I was just like, the stress was not worth it for me anymore. And again, I had always had that entrepreneurial spirit, but even that, without your health, and I wasn't healthy there because I was so stressed out all the time. I had said to myself, I had to make a conscious decision to put my health over, at that point, my paycheck. Mm-hmm. But it ended up being the best decision I've ever made. And that was, like I said, 6.5 years ago at this point.
Kind of ironic how in order to become more healthy, you had to quit being a health
club. I know, it's just odd. I thought that maybe you'd be the most healthy you've ever been, but it was actually kind of the opposite. But that's okay. I learned a lot from that job for sure.
How is success like bedhead?
Oh my gosh, because success is all over the place. It's messy. It's never what you expect. But once you comb that out, it'll be smooth sailing just for a short period of time until you go to bed the next night. And then you wake up all over again. It's constantly putting out those obstacles. So that's what success is.